Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this stack of 2 storage shelves. Now, these are really nice shelves because they're completely foldable and they have nice movable drawers. So they come packaged really well. You just pull out the bag and it's all in here in this nice bubble wrap. So we pull it all out, and like I said, it's all individually packaged. Each one of these, they just simply fold out and then we put them into place. Now they do have little locking edges in here that you've just got to push down and back. Then we will attach it to the bottom of the base. We have different drawers that are on here and an instruction guide. So each of these are a nice acrylic see-through drawer, which is fantastic. And then you have your base, which is about 12 inches, a little over 12 inches long. And they have these non-slip grips on here. Now to put this together, like I said, you've just got to add this in, and then we will line up the sides. So once you get these lined up, you just got to press pretty hard, beat down the sides, and then get it all settled in to where it is now attached on there. And then to add in your drawers, you've got these little notches here, and then one back in the back. You just simply line that up. Then same thing with the top, you've got the little notch, that little notch, and now your drawers can slide and stay in place. Now this bottom drawer is pretty cool because you can actually rotate them off to the side. So if you needed to get to something, you can rotate it and then slide it back in. So I'm gonna go set these up, get some stuff in them, and put them to use. So now I've got it here in my kitchen, and this is great because you can put so much stuff in here. Even the taller stuff can even fit in there, that you can easily just pull this out, get to whatever items you need, get some tea back there. I'm gonna scoot it off to the side and get it out of the way. You can do that because it's hanging off. Easily just rotate all this, get to everything you need to get to. Glides really nice back in. Same thing with the top. You got lots of space to put whatever you're wanting to put in there. These would be great if you're putting makeup or any sort of office equipment. I mean, these are nice storage racks that can be used anywhere.